Hi guys! Welcome back to another Adobe Illustrator tutorial. Today we will learn how to draw a cute and adorable plant with Adobe Illustrator. So, without further ado, let's get started. Document size 1000 pixel width and 1000 pixel height. Press B, Paintbrush Tool, to draw plant. Just use your mouse and draw it slowly. We can fix our drawing later. We need to close this gap. Press A, Direct Selection Tool, and click the first point, while holding Shift click another end point. With 2 points selected, press Ctrl and J on Windows or Command and J on Mac to join the line. Now let's make our pot better. Use Smooth Tool to make it smoother. Press Eyedropper Tool, and click the box to make the pot have the same color. Let's continue using Paintbrush Tool to draw some leaf. Send it to the back with Ctrl and left square bracket on Windows or Command and left square bracket on Mac. Use Ctrl and right square bracket on Windows or Command and right square bracket on Mac if you want to send it to the front. Resize and move so the leaves fill the pot. It's done, now let's give nice light effect. Select both objects, we want to remove this. Press Shift and M, Shape Builder tool, to join or cut shape. Press Alt on Windows or Option on Mac and you will see the cursor change to minus symbol. Now click the part you want to remove. It's time to make the leaf better. Change the color into white. Reduce the opacity into 80%. Our cute and adorable plant has been done.